AB is a chord of the hyperbola xy equal to 12, whose midpoint is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2, then the area of triangle ABO is equal to what? So this is a question from hyperbola. So first let us try to draw the diagram. So xy is equal to 12. So xy is equal to 12 is a rectangular hyperbola which looks like this, right? Now there is a chord AB whose midpoint is 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 lies somewhere here. So now you have to draw a chord with this point as midpoint. Maybe the chord will look like this. So this might be the chord with 1 by 2 comma minus 1 by 2 as the midpoint. Now you join this A and B with the origin. So you have a triangle, you are being asked to find the area of this triangle. So there are different ways to do this question. Let us do one of it. So first step that I do is finding equation of AB. So equation of a chord with a given midpoint. So S1 is equal to S11. So I am using the concept S1 is equal to S11. So the equation is xy minus 12 is equal to 0. So you can write this as 2xy minus 24 is equal to 0. So let us write S1 is equal to S11. So 2xy is replaced with xy1 plus yx1 minus 24 is equal to, this is S1. S11 is a complete substitution. 2 into, in the place of x you substitute 1 by 2, in the place of y you substitute minus 1 by 2 minus 24. So these two gets cancelled. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So you can see this 2, 2 and 2 are also getting cancelled. So you get the equation minus x plus y is equal to minus 1, which implies x minus y is equal to 1. So now we are going to find the point of intersections A and B. So without actually finding the point of intersections, let me do something nice. So if we take the point A, so let us call it x1 comma y1 can be written as 12 by x1. This is like a parametric point. So if you take the x coordinate of A as x1, the y coordinate can be written as 12 by x1. So B can be assumed as x2 comma 12 by x2. So we know that the area of triangle is half of mod of x1 y2 minus x2 y1. That means x1 into the y coordinate of the second point, that is 12 x1 by x2 minus x2 y1, that is 12 x2 by x1. So this is equal to 6 times mod of x1 square minus x2 square by x1 x2, where x1 x2 are the x coordinates of the points of intersection. So to get the x coordinates of the point of intersection, let us create the simultaneous equation of the chord and the hyperbola. So you can write to find the point of intersection. So that's the second step. So point of intersection of hyperbola and chord. So x into, in the place of y, from the line y is equal to x minus 1, right? So x into x minus 1 is equal to 12. So you get x square minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. So it's 4 into 3, I think, right? X minus, does it work? X minus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So the x coordinates are 4 or minus 3. So for the point of intersection, that means x1 is 4, x2 is minus 3. So you can just substitute the numbers here. So 6 times mod of x1 square minus x2 square is 16 minus 9, which is 7, divided by x1 into x2 is minus 12. So mod of this is going to be 7 by 2. So the area of triangle AOB is 7 by 2.